Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. And do not forget to give your feedback and comments below.
If you've been looking for a better way to fight mosquitoes and other flying insects, look no further. DynaTrap operates quietly and simply, without requiring propane or other chemicals. Simply plug it into any wall outlet and flip the switch. You won't even know it's at work until you begin to see the results. UV light from DynaTrap provides a warm attraction to flying insects. Carbon dioxide emitted from the unit mimics our breath, creating an irresistible attraction. When insects approach, DynaTrap's quiet, powerful vacuum fan draws them into a retaining cage where they dry up and die. Without chemicals, without sprays, without zapping, DynaTrap can be placed anywhere within the entrapment area, including areas of human traffic. Stop zapping. Start trapping with DynaTrap.